By now, someone you know has probably mentioned dust found in your computer could be harmful to it. You're probably wondering, how is this possible? Well, your computer requires airflow and cooling to prevent the components inside, such as the processor, hard drive, memory, and graphics card, from overheating. Fans are the most common method of ensuring your computer gets enough airflow, therefore keeps cool. However, fans also move dust particles through your computer in addition to the cool outside air. If left long enough, the dust moving through your computer can build up on the fan and other internal components. When this happens, the dust acts as an insulator, which causes the components to run hotter than they normally would. And overheating is one of the most dangerous things you could allow your computer components to do, because it significantly decreases your computer's lifespan unless resolved. Dust can be removed from computers rather easily. The best way to remove dust buildup from your computer is with compressed air. However, this sometimes can be tedious, as you'll have to open your tower and carefully remove the buildup of dust, without damaging any of the components inside. If you wish to continue with cleaning it yourself, you must proceed with the following instructions. Shut down your computer and unplug it. Open the case carefully and spray out the dust with the compressed air. It'll cause quite a mess outside your computer, so you may want to carefully move it to a room that's easy to clean. While spraying, make sure you hold the can upright. If you start to turn the can sideways or upside down, the air will freeze, and the blast of moisture could damage components. Once you've sprayed the dust off of the components and out of the fans, replace the computer cover, plug it in and boot it back up. You should always avoid using any kind of brush or vacuum to remove dust from inside your computer. Both could have potentially damaging effects due to static buildup and discharge. Need help? If you live near Conroe, which is in Texas, and need professional help, we can provide maintenance by carefully and precisely removing the unwanted dust from your computer, eliminating any stress and frustration it may cause you. Our friendly team is just one call, email away.